napadiri ka ng mga kabisdak sa ano, sa soft tours. You know, soft tours. Yeah, at saka ano, yung ano ba, stand paddle. So nami diri karon sa Lubok River. Bohol guys. Lubok River sa Bohol. So yan po. So dito kami ngayon sa ano, sa loob kasi nag-record yung guest natin. Guwapo. Ay, kaway. Ayan. Nadua. So, ayan guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa soft tours. Hi ma'am. Good morning. So, ito po yung ano nila dito. Resort. So, sana makapunta kayo dito sa ano, sa Lubok, Bohol. Mabisita niyo itong ano dito, tawag nito, resort sa SUV, stand paddle site sa Lubok River. Ayan, napaka-nice, napakalamig na area. So, yan. So, sana suportahan nyo, i-share at i-follow ninyo guys. Oh, Elmer Bunani po. Yan po. Yan guys. Yan. Yeah, you want to take picture first?
Yeah, just let me know later if you want photo. Just let me know. I will be the one to take photo.
Okay.
So we go this side.
First time? Alright, enjoy. You go.
There's no crocodile, no shark. But the dangerous thing is a fallen degrees, fallen crocodile. Okay, so do not paddle too much close to the tank. There we go. So this is the paddle. This is the paddle board. So this is the top handle. Please adjustable. The shaft here and the blade. So as you can see, the blade is bended. So the bended part always on the floor. So pick up speed, front to the back. Okay, so to go on straight, hold the top handle. You go on straight, paddle 2 or 3 times, like this. And then switch side. Every time you switch side with your hands, you go under here. If you're turning, with the stop, back paddle, back to the front. So turn or to stop, okay? Yes. So now that's also the paddle board. That's the front, this is the tail of the board. That hole is the middle, so you stand where the hole is. But before you stand, kneel down, example, front, only here, so stand here, so stand like this. If you stand up, paddle first have a momentum. When you're ready, both hands on the board, look straight to top. One foot, and slowly come up. Just find your balance. So do not put your feet too close or too wide. Just find your own balance where you're comfortable with. So the ball is here. You can do whatever you want. You can do yoga, sit down, kneel down. If you want to swim, you can swim. So this thing float, nothing to worry. So one more thing, just if you fall, don't fall on the board, just pull flat to the water. That side or this side. This thing float. Then how to climb back on? Just grab the hole and push yourself up. Then grab the other side of the board and swing your legs. Slowly come back. Okay, you ready? Any questions? Our tour, we go that way and we paddle all the way back.
There's a penalty.
Yes, that side. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Len?
I got my phone here.
I will be the one to keep it. I will take photo.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Okay, who wants to go first? Len, can you go first?
Can we do that one as well?
Oh yes, you can do. We have there also. But this one you need to climb. Yeah, it's harder. But if you
climb
want to
from
try-
there.
Yes.
That's another level.
This is the leg. That's the ankle. This is the safety line of the boat. But you know how to swim, right? You go down first. You put the paddle. And
Warm up. Oh. Warm up.
yeah, warm up.
Oh.
Yeah, this is very easy. Okay. Ready? Run.
Yes.
Just nail down. Down the knees. Alright, ready? Ready? So careful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful of your eye there.
So ayan guys. Paalis na sila. So ayan. Lubok pa, mag-river pa across.
Cross.
Oh, river cross pa mi. Sunod. Pananghalian nila. Okay, yan guys. Oh. Alis na sila guys. So enjoy. Bye-bye. See you soon. See you soon. So ayan guys.